All right, this is Mr. Wyrick. This is the second part of the notes for the 28th. And I'm just going to go over real quick some of the stuff on the delta math with what you're going to have to do. Hopefully this video kind of gets you going in the right direction. So I'm going to click here on the coordinate proof quadrilaterals. This is what you're doing. You can see you need to get 12 of them done, but this time there's no penalty. You don't have to do extra ones. So we click on this. New problem. Okay. The points E, F, G, and H form quadrilateral EFGH. Plot the points, then click the graph quadrilateral button. Okay, show the question. There we go. Okay, so your question's going to look like this. So I need to go to like 3, 4, and I click there. I need to go to -5, 2, click there. I need to go to -6, -9, and click there. And then I'm going to go to 2, -7, and click there. And then I'm going to say graph that quadrilateral. Now, it likes what I have done, so it fills it in. If I got this wrong, if I had not gotten this E in the right place, it would have stopped me and made me fix it before I could move on. Okay? Use the drop-down menus and answer blanks to prove the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So this goes up 2 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes up 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these opposite sides of EF and GH are parallel. And then from G to F, I go up, well, from -9 to +2. That would be 9, 10, 11. Okay. I'm going up 11 and over 1. From -7 to +4, that's up 11 and over 1. So all of the opposites are going to be parallel. Now I can choose, if I think this is a rectangle, that the adjacent sides are perpendicular. I can choose both pairs of opposite sides are of equal measure. I could show all sides of equal measure and the adjacent sides are perpendicular. That'd be for the square. I can show one pair of opposite sides is equal measure and parallel. But I just like the both pairs of opposite sides are parallel for this right now. So it asks me for the slope of EF. This is the one I went up to and over 8. Up to over 8 is going to be a slope of 1/4. For GH, that's going to have that same slope of 1/4. Up to over from -6 to 2. Yeah, that's 8. Okay. My FG, my slope is up 11 over 1. And 11 divided by 1 is just 11. So I can put 11 there and 11 there. Make sure you're putting the correct slope with the correct side. The slope of any pair of opposite sides, so this one and this one, this one and this one, should be equal. They are the exact same. In that case, these sides are parallel. Therefore, the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. And you can see we have a rectangle, square, rhombus, stuff like that on there. But I think it's going to take more than one step. So this is a bit time consuming, which is why I only really gave you 12 of them. And I gave you that for 2 days. Okay. So we're going to work on this Tuesday. We're going to work on this Wednesday, finish up, the video. Let's do another problem. And let's put something in the wrong spot. So we're supposed to be at 1, 6. There's 1, 6. L is at -3, 3. M is at 0, -1. Let's put it at 0, 1. And N is at 4, 2. Okay? So we've got those. And I say graph, and it's going to say you have a wrong point. Okay? So I got to click it. I got to put it in the right spot. And once I put it in the right spot, it's like, okay, you're good. Now it's saying I'm supposed to prove that this quadrilateral is a square. That's a big deal. So I'm going to prove that it's a square. The only way I can do that is this one. All sides are equal measure and the adjacent sides are perpendicular. So I start by proving all sides are equal. I'm going up 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So I go over 1, 2, 3, and down 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be the same thing the whole way around. It's Pythagorean theorem or distance formula off of yesterday's notes. But 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 9 and 16 make 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So every single one of these is going to be 5 for that distance. So we know that this is a rhombus. All sides are of equal measure. To prove that the adjacent sides are perpendicular, I got to find the slope of each one. For M, I go up 1, 2, 3, and over 4. So M, from M to N, so MN, has a slope of 3 over 4. LM, by contrast, is going down 4 over 3. So LM, that's a negative 4 thirds. And I should be able to kind of fill these in because I know how they come out. So KN, or NK, is going to be a negative 4 thirds, and KL is going to be 3/4. The slopes of any pair of adjacent sides, there we go, are negative reciprocals. Okay, we said opposite reciprocals, but this is the same thing. And in that case, those sides are perpendicular. As a result of these things taken together, this is a square. So it kind of guides you already where you need to go. It's just a matter of putting everything together. I think you don't have to reduce if you have a square root that doesn't come out even. You can see on that last one, the square root button. I'll just click a new problem. You can see when you answer this stuff down here at the bottom in the gray, there is a square root sign. So you can just do square roots if you have one that doesn't come out even. All right, hopefully that gets you through the assignment and this will go well for you. We'll see you when I come back.